Today, we are working this question. What transformation has happened to y equal f of x to produce y equals 3 times f of 1 over 4x? To solve this question, you have to remember compression expansion. If you have no idea or if you don't remember about these, please check out my previous video. I explained about it before. So let's get started. So in this question, you have to transform y equals f of x to y equals 3 times f of 1 over 4x. It looks a bit complicated, so let's do it step by step. First, I transform y equals f of x to y equals 3 f of x to get it close to this function. So what's going to happen? Do you remember if there is a value in front of f of x? I mean, if some value multiplies f of x, this means vertical compression or expansion. And if this value is bigger than 1, it's going to be a vertical expansion. On the other hand, if this value is smaller than 1 and bigger than 0, it's going to be vertical compression. So this case, this number is 3 and which is bigger than 1, so it's gonna be vertical expansion. And in the case of vertical expansion and compression, the factor is 3. For the next one, y equal a, let's transform from y equal f of x to y equal f of 1 over 4x. Just focus on this part. Then this case is like this. There is some value inside the bracket, in front of x. This means horizontal expansion or compression. But this case you have to be very careful, because different from vertical compression expansion, if this value is bigger than 1, it's going to be compression, not expansion. And if this value is smaller than 1, it's going to be vertical expansion. Horizontal expansion. So this case, this value is smaller than 1, so it's gonna be horizontal expansion. And again, you have to be careful about factor. In the case of vertical compression expansion, factor is same as this value, but for the horizontal expansion and compression, the factor is going to be reciprocal of this value. So the reciprocal of 1 over 4 is 4. If you combine these two, you can make this function. So if you are not familiar about these things like factor and expansion, compression, please check out my previous video again. Then let's please work on this question again. Probably it will be easier to understand it. That's it.